Okay, tell me a story.
Once upon a time, there was a little bunny rabbit named Sheila. And she wanted to play and play all day long. And she liked to play in her bed. And she brought a new bunk bed. So she slept on it on her pillow all day long when it was nap time. Then the other day, it can't be nap time, but on the first day, when Sheila just was trying to get down from her bed, she did it on the edge, and she just fell, and her mommy and daddy heard the noise, so she saved her, but Sheila really bounced on the bed. She got down from the ladder, and then when the other day on, she just climbed down this again, and she fell on the edge of it, so her mommy and dad saved her the next day, so she knew what would happen, and on the next day on, she lost her Sheila, but on the next day, she climbed off the beanstalk to save the giant, but he was mean. So he tried to get away from the giant, and he did it. And she did it. She got away from the giant. The end.
Good story.
Now let me see the video since I already did it.
Bye-bye.